It's not true. I told you I had an interview today. I know who was behind the incarceration of my son, in the forced incarceration in May last year. And I know this is why it was being done, the political reasons why it was being done. The president had nothing to do with it, and he had to come back and do that thing, but I'll do it in a manner which don't arouse the anxieties that may interfere in the constitution. So it had to be a long drawn out affair. But me, my wife is the Minister of Women Affairs. We know that the president nothing to do with it. So bombshell is wrong. Bombshell is wrong to try to accuse the president. It's not true. Rather, the people who are telling him to go on television are the ones who are behind the persecution of my son. So I'm surprised for a field combat officer. He normally is good.
Say, Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kuku hapa na channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa karoga subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas Zimbabwe tagigira nye buditswa na Christopher Mutsvangwa kuya Buda achitaura pamusoro pekusungwa kukaita mwana wake korapura. Abuda achitaura iye achiti Mnangagwa was not involved mu chitiko ichochi muri Zimbabwe. Akataura iye achiti he knows munhu angari behind this political move. Abuda achitaura achiti it was a political move, but Mnangagwa wasiri involved munyaya iyoyi. Nyaya yabuditswa mushure mekunge vaBlessed Geza vakabuda vachitaura na Mutsvangwa achitaura kuti Mutsvangwa ngaavhure maziso aone kuti Mnangagwa akasungisa mwana wake. Mataura iye achiti the system is not in favor of Mutsvangwa, so Mutsvangwa ngaaone kusungwa kwaita mwana wake oona kuti pane vanhu vari behind him muri Zimbabwe. Christopher Mutsvangwa apa abuda achitaura iye achiti president is not involved muzvinhu izvozvi zvinzire he knows iye Mutsvangwa kuti ndiani anga ari behind kusunga mwana wake. Yabuditswa ne the News Rocks vachitaura ivo vachiti Mutsvangwa sheds light on son's arrest and Zanu-PF succession at heart of the matter. And the Zanu-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa has made some sensational claims regarding his son's arrest last year, saying he actually knows who was behind the political move, while also admitting President Emmerson Mnangagwa helped to secure his release. Mutsvangwa's remarks go to the heart of the current succession power struggle within Zanu-PF, which is fueling Mnangagwa's deadly political brinksmanship with Deputy Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. At a press conference at Zanu-PF headquarters in Harare earlier today, Mutsvangwa said that he knows who was behind Neville's arrest, subtly pointing a finger at Chiwenga, while also indicating the arrest saga was politically motivated. Neville and his two accomplices were arraigned over criminal charges of money laundering and illegal cash dealings, but his father maintains that it was political and he is innocent, and that the arrest was political, ploy to manipulate the justice system. The development has further raised questions about the impartiality of Zimbabwe's judiciary, especially given that over 100 individuals at the time were denied bail in similar cases related to black market currency dealings. By admitting that Mnangagwa intervened to help release his son, Mutsvangwa is exposing the executive and judiciary as meddlesome and pliable, respectively. Mutsvangwa's relationship with Mnangagwa has been subject to scrutiny, particularly after he was dismissed from the cabinet for insubordination twice. Mutsvangwa was first fired as presidential advisor in 2018 and removed as minister in February last year. He is now Zanu-PF spokesman only. However, Mutsvangwa has been quick to emphasize his deep loyalty to the president, highlighting their long-standing association since the liberation struggle era. Mutsvangwa's wife, Monica, who is Women Affairs Minister, also worked closely with Mnangagwa during the liberation struggle in the 1970s. Mutsvangwa's statements shed further light on his already known good relations with Mnangagwa and toxic ties with Chiwenga. Domabuditsiro akaitwa nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe na Christopher Mutsvangwa tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudziwe zvamuri kufunga mu comment section. Ndofunga takaona nguva yakasungwa Neville Mutsvangwa mai vake Monica makabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti whoever was behind this move akataimira Monica abuda kunda kunze wenyika akawanikwa achisunga Neville muri Zimbabwe tisingaziye kunoona sei nyaya iyi tiudziwe zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.
It's not true. I told you I had an interview today. I know who was behind the incarceration of my son, in the forced incarceration in May last year. And I know why this is why it was being done, the political reasons why it was being done. The president had nothing to do with it, and he had to come back and undo that thing, but undo it in a manner which did not arouse the anxieties that may be interfering with the constitution. So it had been a long drawn out affair. But me, my wife is the Minister of Women Affairs. We know that the president has nothing to do with it. So bombshell is wrong. Comrade bombshell is wrong to try to accuse the president. It's not true. Rather, the people who are telling him to go on television are the ones who are behind the persecution of my son. So I'm surprised for a field combat officer. He normally is not
surround himself with such people simply because he is one of them. Christopher Mutsvangwa, my friend, we seek to appeal to your conscience. You have been our brother. We have stood together. But your statement, although half-hearted, was just a pity. How do you defend a person who arrested your son like a common criminal over things that his children do daily? While your son was being held in a remand prison on charges of selling, this rogue president was giving Shigananda a license without even consulting Fortress. Is that a president you want? Mnangagwa, the people of Zimbabwe are charging you with the following. 1, presiding over a failed state, a nation that has failed its people. 50% of Zimbabweans are in poverty, while over 80% are jobless. You and your government has no plan whatsoever to correct these mistakes and failure.